Kaunti ya Kajiado ni imwe wa kaunti iria ikoragwo na mateta ma ngukumio na ngucanio cia migunda, undu uria ucungiriirie ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ungumania EACC gutabania uthuthuria wa wabici ya mwena wa Ngong. Ciuria cia kana wabici ya wandikithia wa migunda ya Ngong kaunti-ini ya Kajiado ni ibatie ni kuhingwo kana kuhingurwo ni ciumiritie honge-ini itiganite thutha wa ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ungumania EACC kunyita andu 14 na mahitia ma ngukumio tariki 7 mweri muhituku, undu uria wacungiriirie igoti gwathana kuhingwo kwa wabici iyo, na nyingi tariki 1 mweri uyu igoti rirathana kuhingurwo kwa wabici iyo.
Before the agencies closed that registry, they had first of all gotten permission from the courts to investigate and access the accounts of those officers. They had also gotten a court order for them to close that registry. Therefore, we cannot have a situation where a court order was issued for the closure of that registry, and when we are just at the top of things, there is another court order saying that that registry must be opened immediately.
14 cio manyitikanire na mahitia ma mbeca wabici-ini iyo, taito cia ngungo gatagati-ini ka indo ingi, undu uria werekanite gukorwo niguo thina munene kuri aria matunganite na mathina ma migunda mwena ucio.
People who have been trying to interfere with what the DCI officers are doing, the commendable job that they are doing, and we are sending out the warning that nobody will tolerate that.
Minister wa migunda kaunti-ini ya Kajiado Hamilton Pasiana ni umwe wa aria macakaite kaunti ino gukorwo na mateta ma wici na ngucanio cia migunda o hindi, guku akimenereria atongoria a githirikari kaunti-ini iyo gukorwo makirutithania wira na broker cia migunda, undu uria wonekanite makiria mwena ucio wa Ngong.
We are beginning to see that where they are penetrating especially is the prosecution by the office of the director of public prosecution, and we are demanding that officers based in Kajiado County from the office of ODPP be transferred. They should not handle this matter.
Andu aria mari na mibango ya kugura migunda kaunti-ini iyo ni moritio gukorwo ritho, na aria maratabania thuguri iyo nao niguo gwithema na mateta ma gutunywo mbeca ona kana kuheo taito cia migunda iri na andu angi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Ngetwo Waithira wa Kihara.